After realizing the graphic designer scenario, I really have to say that designing is the most useless career opportunity. Actually, there is a true story behind that. Lately, I wanted to hire the designers for my project, and that's why I posted the ad all over the social media and I got some responses from there. And all the responses are really amazing. So, after reading that responses, I realized that designing is the useless career opportunity if you don't have enough knowledge. Like one of them I received is, sir, I'm a designer. I can design anything that you needed, and I can design videos, logos, posters, all over the corporate identity, music posters, even InDesign, XD. He taught me everything like in Adobe Creative Cloud. So I said, okay, what's your experience? I am a fresher now, and okay, what's your current rate? $2 to $3. But sir, I am a freelancer. I don't want to do a job. I said no. Okay. Then next I received a call from another person, and I interviewed her. She told me about her expertise. She told like she's expert in graphic design. She's doing that from our last 6 months, and I said okay. And next, then she told me that she has also experience in video editing. Honestly, talking to you, I also wanted a video editor. It's a good thing. She's doing a video editing along with designing. But then I asked her which software you are using right now. She told me, sir, Filmora. I mean, really? What the f is this, man? If you don't have enough knowledge of any software one, then why are you doing designing? Then why are you doing freelancing? Mostly people think that graphic design is about freelancing. This is not about that, man. If you don't have enough knowledge of designing, then first you should learn it properly. I mean to say, just focus on one thing, focus on one software. Learn that properly, like Photoshop, Illustrator, whatever you want to learn. After that, get some experience about that software, then move to freelancing business. What everyone without knowledge, without experience want to do freelancing. You are infaming the designing, man. You are not a true designer. If you really want to do freelancing, or if you don't want to do job, then learn it properly. There are so many books, so many YouTube channels. And then mostly designers talk about the clients are not paying at time, clients are not happy with my work, clients are not giving my money. So after that, you are facing this kind of problems because of your knowledge. Like, just think about the client perspective. Why a client should hire you? Why a client should pay you money? Suppose I'm a client, I'm hiring you as a designer, and if I have to tell you everything what I want, or what I want to do, and what are the design perspectives I want, and what are the parameters about that, if I told you everything, then what is the purpose to hire you? You are not solving my problem, ma'am. You are creating more problems for me. Just think about that. If you really wanna be a designer, then don't think about freelancing only. Get some knowledge, get some real knowledge. Designing is not about freelancing, it's about passion. If you don't have a passion, like mostly people think about mostly people see the other people's, like he's doing a Photoshop, like he's doing a Illustrator, and probably he's a rich person and he's enjoying his life. This is not about that, man. There are so many technical things in graphic designing. Again, I have to say that if you don't have in-depth knowledge of any field, then it's a useless. If you don't have any knowledge of graphic design, you are just like decorating the things, then it's not the designing. Honestly, I'm really hurt after realizing, after attending all the interviews of the designers, that designers, everyone want to do freelancing. Everyone said that I am a freelancer, I want to do freelancing and don't want a job. What the is really, man? You don't have in-depth knowledge of any software. You are not an expert of any software. You are just using every software, every Adobe software. And Filmora, is it really a designing software? Even a normal person can use the Filmora software. Everyone know that, and people are saying that I'm a designer, I'm a video editor, I'm using Filmora from last 6 months. If you're indulging in a freelancing business without any knowledge, without any experience, without any portfolio, then definitely people will ask you some samples, like some sample work, and no one gonna pay you about that. So you are wasting your time and your client time at that situation. Definitely client will not pay you, or someone will hire you at the minimum cost. I remember one of them told me I can design everything or two in $2 or $3 per hour. If you wanna do your work at such price, then you should leave your job, man. I know we can't be expert, but we can be a learner. Even you are not learner, not an expert, and you just want to be a designer, just want to be a freelancing business, it's completely useless thing. You are infaming the designing. Probably I'm using the hard words in this video, but this is the truth of designing industry. This is what we are doing right now. You can check any social media and you'll find that designers are doing such kind of things. Everyone want to do freelancing. What is the freelancing? You really know the meaning of freelancing? Like you are working for a $2 or $3 per hour and you are using a Filmora, and again you are saying that I am a designer, I am an editor. If you don't have a knowledge about this field, then learn it properly. If you don't have a strong portfolio of designing, then you can join the industries and make your portfolio strong. After that, go with a freelancing business. Not before that. I don't think it's the best choice for you.